keeping you connected to our community. 11 Connects.
Hello, Southern Colorado, and welcome to 11 Connects. I'm your host, Ryan Nelson, and today we are at Serenity Mental Health Centers with Dr. Matthew Mills. How are you today?
Hey, doing well, Ryan. Thanks for being here.
Now, today we're talking about something that you're probably seeing all over the internet, and we want to get a local psychiatrist's take on ketamine infusions for mental health. So what is your opinion on it?
My opinion is that it's underutilized and life-saving medication.
Mm-hmm. Now, what kind of patients are turning to ketamine, and why do they need it so urgently?
Sure. So these are people who've been struggling with, depression, anxiety, PTSD for many years, even decades, who have tried a lot of treatments that just typically aren't cutting it for them. And ketamine can work in hours to days, where a traditional medication can take weeks and weeks. Right. So when somebody's in the throes of, severe depression or even suicidal thinking, that speed is so necessary.
Now, what makes it such a powerful tool in preventing suicidal thoughts or treatment-resistant disorders?
Sure. So where typical medications can make these slow chemical changes over weeks, ketamine works immediately. It's putting these massive connections between your neurons and your brain. You can kind of think of it like jump starting a stalled engine. Okay. And it works very quickly, even helps promote new neuronal growth.
Okay, so that sounds a lot better than over-the-counter medicine, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I like that. Now, what kind of changes do you typically notice first in a patient?
Sure. So these changes can be subtle but meaningful. People can feel their spirits lift. They might notice that energy's improving. They have more, drive to get out of bed in the morning. A lot of people feel like this heavy cloud of hopelessness is lifting, and they can start finding a meaning to live.
Right. And then a lot of people are probably wondering, is it safe? Because you're talking about infusions, but we're here at Serenity and they take care of their clients. Right?
Sure. Yes, we do. It's an incredibly safe medication. Ketamine has been utilized in hospitals as an anesthesia drug for almost 6 decades now. Wow. So we know the safety profile really well. Okay. When we're treating depression, we do lower doses for the right patient under constant nurse supervision. Where treatments aren't right for every treatment's not right for everybody. Yeah. But the right dose, the right patient, the right supervision, the risks are low and the benefits can be literally life-saving.
I love that. Now, what do you wish more people knew about it? Because like I said, online, you're seeing everywhere ketamine treatments, ketamine this, ketamine that. What do you think people should know?
Sure. There's certainly a stigma around it that it's this anesthesia drug or even a party drug. But done in the right medical setting, it's amazing treatment. The right dose, the right protocol, the right supervision. This can be life-saving treatment. I wish more people knew that it's life-saving, and for people who have tried and failed multiple medications, this can really bring hope and alleviate some of these symptoms.
Okay, and I know there's someone who's watching right now who's wondering, how can I find this hope? How can I clear away these dark clouds in my life? And how can they get in contact with you?
Sure. So you can find us at serenitymentalhealthcenters.com. You can reach out to us on the number on the screen, and we can often get you in for a same-day appointment.
Wow. There's not a lot of places in Southern Colorado that you can get a same-day appointment. A lot of times you get put on a waiting list, and you're just battling through depression, and it's hard.
Yeah.
But here at Serenity, they will get you in as fast as they can. So
absolutely.
That's why I love coming here, and I love what you all are doing for the community. So I just want to say thank you for that. And again, mental health is such a serious topic. Please, please, please do not push it to the side or think, I can just push through this and be strong. It's okay to get help. And Serenity, they're doing a great job helping people. So again, thank you so much for your time and what you're doing in our community.
Appreciate it.